Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to update the OBS Studio. So for this you have to turn on the OBS Studio, then you have to click on the help option from here, and here you have to click on the check for updates. And after you click on the check for updates, it will take a couple of seconds, and here you can see there is a new update available in my app. I have to simply click on the update now option, then it will simply get to start download the app. And for example, if that's not working, then what you can do is click on the internet option, that the internet speed of your is perfectly working. But if that's not working, then what you can do is obviously go to the start button option from here, then you have to search for the settings option from here, and when you are in the settings option you have to go to the apps option from here, and then you have to click on the here in the install apps. Then you have to wait couple of seconds to it get loaded, and it will take couple of seconds since that there are so many apps in my laptop, that's why it taking a bit of much time. Then you have to search for the OBS here, and after you get the OBS Studio you have to simply click on the three dot option, then you have to click on the uninstall, and after that you have to reinstall the app the OBS Studio app. You have to reinstall it, and simply the update problem will get solved, and you will get the latest version app after you reinstall it. So it is that much easy, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video.